Hi, I'm Dana Yarn, registered dietitian. Today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of omega-3 fish oil. Omega-3 fish oil containing adequate amounts of EPA and DHA has been shown in several studies to reduce inflammation, help manage diabetes, decrease your hunger and sugar cravings, as well as manage blood pressure. And with the decrease in inflammation that fish oil provides, it also helps with brain function and slowing down the onset of Alzheimer's disease. Every individual, no matter what age or gender or activity level, should be taking at least 2,000 milligrams of fish oil per day. This is about 1 to 4 capsules, depending on what type of fish oil you buy. High quality mercury tested fish oil is best, and you only want omega-3s. We already get enough omega-6s and 9s in our diet, so omega-3 fish oil is your best choice. Taking 2 to 4 capsules per day. If you're a little nervous about the fish oil burps, what I do and I recommend to my clients is take the fish oil and put it in the freezer, so by the time you digest it, the fish oil won't burp back up into your digestive tract and you won't taste it. So freeze them, take them, 2 to 4 a day, split up the dosages so you absorb it best, a couple in the morning, 1 to 2 in the morning and 1 to 2 in the evening.